Now, to all parents, stakeholders, and students, if you need a virtual tutorial that will improve your learning in mathematics and chemistry, if you are finding it difficult to understand some concepts or maybe all concepts in mathematics and chemistry, I'm here for you. My name is Matt Ken, a graduate of Osun State College of Education, which I studied chemistry and mathematics as my disciplines. Not only that, I proceeded to study chemistry and education in University of Ibadan. And I'm also pursuing my master's in analytical chemistry. So if you are finding it difficult to understand some concepts or topics in chemistry, or maybe you have assignments you want me to help you to solve in chemistry and mathematics, so I'm here for you. Now, if you are in grade 10 to 11, those who are using grades in Nigeria, so schools who are using grades in Nigeria, or if you are in Canada, they uses grade in Canada as well. So if you're in Canada, you're in grade 10, 11, 12, and you are offering chemistry and you want me to explain chemistry bit by bit for you, I'm available for you. If you're in UK, that means you're in year 10 to 11, you should be doing chemistry, they are science student. Or if you're in advanced level, like advanced class, so you're also doing chemistry, I'm also available for you. If you're in Nigeria, you're doing chemistry. Yes, you are in Nigeria and also science student. You'll be doing chemistry in your SS 1 to 3. You want a virtual and online tutorial. I'm also available for you, even if you're in Ghana as well. You're in Ghana and then you need a chemistry tutor. I'm also available for you as well. Not only that, in mathematics as well, whether you are in the lower grade or lower year, or you are in a junior school, starting from the JSS1 to SS3 mathematics, starting from the year 1 to the highest year, that will be 11 or 12 in UK. I'm also available, and also for the grade to the lower grade, grade 1 to the higher grade, which is grade 11 or 12. I'm also available for in terms of mathematics. So you do well to send a message to me, give me a trial, and let the trial convince you. Now, how do we teach? Like what mode, what platform do we use to impact students? Is that we use Zoom platform. We use Zoom platform. So once you are interested, once you want me personally to impact the knowledge I have to your student, if you want me to explain some all concepts in chemistry and mathematics to your student or to your child bit by bit, do well to send a WhatsApp message, that is +234, and that's the number. Give us a trial. The charges is not high. I'm not after the money, I'm after the benefits of what I am impacting. I'm after the child understanding the concept very well. Give us a trial and let the trial convince you. If you have any question concerning the way we operate, so do well to still send the message to the WhatsApp number there, or you go to the comment section to just ask few questions, then we provide answers to you very well. Thank you so much, and thanks for patronizing me. Give me a trial, like I said earlier, and let me convince you without my trial. Bye.